sign convention. So sign convention of the lenses. First we will take the sign convention of the convex lens. Sign convention of convex lens. So the sign convention is very important for solving the problems. So this is a plus y-axis minus y-axis, plus x-axis minus x-axis. So when the convex lens is placed in this position, so always this is the origin, so always the object position will be left side of the lens. So this is the object, this is the object. So the object height is h. So if it is object O means I will put O. So the object height is along the vertical of the positive y direction. So I will put positive h naught. The distance between the object and the lens is called object distance. This object distance is denoted by the letter U. So that is in the horizontal negative x-axis. So it is minus. So what will happen when the object rays falls on the convex lens? It will be converged at one particular point. The image formed will be real and inverted. So this is the image. So the image height is h. So I will put hi. So the image height will be in the vertically downward direction along negative y-axis. So minus y. The distance between the lens and the image is called image distance v. So that is in the horizontal positive x direction. So it is positive. Hence we can find this is the sign convention for object distance, image distance, object height at image height. So generally the convex lens focal length is positive. That sign convention is positive. But we can say that the convex lens is also having certain exception case if the object is placed between F and O. If the object is placed between F and O. So this is the focus F. This is the optic center O. This object distance is similar to minus U because it is a negative x-axis. And this h is a h naught. It is the object height. That is a positive y-axis. Then where is the image will be formed? Yes, very good. The image is not a real and inverted. The image is virtual and erect. It will be formed in the same direction, same side. So now the image height is hi, which is along the vertical positive y-axis. It is plus y. And the distance between the V and the distance between the lens and the image. The distance between the lens and the image is called image distance. Now the image distance is along the negative x direction. It will become minus. So in this position only, in this exception case, the object is placed at the focus, in between the focus and the optic center. In this case only, the sign conventions are taken as a negative and positive, what is shown in the diagram. So very simple, students. If you know the ray diagram, or very simply where the image position and the object positions are there, imagine the positive x and y axis and the positive x and y axis and everything. You can easily find the sign conventions of convex lens. Similarly, the sign conventions of concave lens. So this is a concave lens. So the concave lens is like this. So we can put similarly positive x-axis and negative x-axis, then positive y-axis and negative y-axis. So what will happen as usual? The object is placed in the left side of the lens, means negative y-axis. The distance between the object and the lens is U. It is minus U. The object height is h naught. It is along the positive vertical axis. So vertical y-axis. So it is positive. Then where the image will be formed? Yes, the image will be formed in the same side as a virtual and erect. So virtual and erect means it is a image height hi which is along the positive y-axis, and the distance between the lens and the image is v. So that is in the negative x-axis minus v. So these are all the things. So we no need to mug up anything plus v minus v. Just to think of that where the image will be formed. So by imagining the image direction and image position and height, imagine the x and y coordinates, you can automatically put the positive and negative sign of the both concave lens and convex lens. Dear students, the focal length formula for the lens is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So this is the focal length formula. So you should keep in your mind. Okay. So the magnification formula m is equal to hi by h naught. hi by h naught, which is equal to minus v by u. Sorry, it is a plus v by u. Here it is a minus. So here it will become plus positive. So the lens means the formula in focus it will comes negative. Then the magnification formula it will comes positive. So this is the magnification formula for lens. This is the focal length formula for lens. Then the power of the lens. Power of lens is equal to reciprocal of the focal length, that is 1 by f. The SI unit of power is diopter. The unit of power is diopter. So 1 diopter is equal to 1 by, that is a focal length we have to represent only in meter. So 1 diopter which is equal to meter inverse. So this is a SI unit of power of the lens. Always the focal length of the convex lens is positive. So the power of the convex lens is positive. Then the focal length of the concave lens is negative. So the power of the concave lens is negative. So I can write the power is positive here and the power is negative here. So these points you can keep in your mind while solving the problems. So these are all the very, very important for solving the problem point of view. Keep in your mind, students. You can substitute the sign conventions in the number value only, not in the letters. So don't take that. In this case, in concave lens, v is negative, sir. Don't write the magnification formula as minus v and minus u like this. So first what you have to do that, this is wrong. So directly you can write the formula is plus v by u. Then if the v value is 10 centimeter and u value is 5 centimeter means, so what you have to do, magnification m is equal to plus, v is minus 5 centimeter and u is, v is minus 10 centimeter and u is minus 5 centimeter, then you have to calculate. So that's why I am saying that don't substitute the sign conventions in the letter alphabet, you substitute in the number. So one more example. So if you take u is equal to 5 centimeter and v is equal to 10 centimeter. So here what you have to write, 1 by f which is equal to 1 by, some students will take that for convex lens v is positive and u is negative. Directly they will write 1 by v plus 1 by u, because u is a negative here, so minus into minus plus. So don't write the formula in this manner. If you like this means, so the evaluator take as this one as a mirror formula. So what you have to write? You have to write as a minus only. So in the next step, you can substitute 1 by f which is equal to 1 by, what is the v value, and we are taken 10 centimeter, u value 5 centimeter. So plus 10 centimeter, because v is positive for convex lens, minus 1 by u value is minus, so minus 5 centimeter, minus 5 centimeter. Now you can put minus into minus plus. So 1 by f, which is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. Now you proceed that. So that is I am saying that don't substitute the sign convention in this alphabetical values, substitute in the numerical values. So don't commit these mistakes in exam point of view. Score the marks good. Just a simple calculation, addition and simple LCM you have to take to find out the focal length as well as the magnification formulas.